everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I'm going to get you to subscribe to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an oddball Wednesday. Today we got the Garbage Pail Kids Chrome Series 4. We've been doing these. Love them. So cool. Got some pretty cool stuff in here already. Hopefully we get something big, though. We're getting that big one. We're waiting for it. It's coming. Before I get to that, you know what you got to do? Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a 10 filled of number cards, pillow cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuff full of number cards, pillow cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole bunch of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1. We throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm going to be throwing in a couple of GPK bookworm parallels, a blue Stuck Scotty and a green Flattened Frank, along with an on-card first Bowman Chrome card of Christopher Wallace, along with a J. Austin numbered autograph. So these 2 autographs and these 2 GPK parallels are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a chance at them and all the other autographs and good stuff that's in there, just leave me a comment below. All right, let's get the show on the road. Guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We just hit enough extra subscribers, so we will be doing a second runner-up. So we're going to have a first runner-up and a second runner-up on our flawless briefcase giveaway. All right, let's get this show on the road and see what we get. Come on, Chrome. Something good. Don't forget to check out that video of that paparazzi hit we did. Got the New Wave Dave paparazzi. That's at the end of this video. That's pretty slick. Anything look fat in there? All right. Actually, the thinner packs is what you want because it's going to have a plate in it. Oh, starting out with a gold wave already. We got a Horny Howl, a Toothless, a Shaggy Aggie, and our first refractor of the box is a Ventriloquist, and that is numbered to 275. 275 on the Ventriloquist. All right, good start for a box. All right, got ourselves a Losing Faith, a Bushy Bernice, a Chrome Chris, and an Alien Ian. Dana Druff, a Trashed Tracy, oh, a Nailin' Neil Refractor, and a Tiffany Lamp. I got Hammer and Kitty plate. That was pretty sick. A Jack-O-Lantern. High Rye. A Dry Guy. And a Furry Murray. Got an Ashley Can. A Unzipped Zach. A Incomplete Pete. And a Max Axe. A Mouthfill, a Rutherford B. Hay, and a Boneyard Bill, and a refractor of Ashley Can. Chromie Tony. Got ourselves a Hunted Hunter, a Foxy Francis, and a purple of Greta Garbage. Greta Garbage, number 250. We got a Nicky Hickey, a Middleman, a Crystal Gale, and a green refractor of Ventriloquist. And that is number 299. All right, Dale Snail. We got a Muscular Molly, a Diane Dinah, and a refractor of Hygiene. Getting his hygiene on. A Traveling Travis. A Nailed Neil. Got a Mardi Gras. And Larry Lips. I believe somebody hit the... Was it the Mardi Gras Superfractor? I think I seen that one on eBay. Yeah. I got a Basket Casey. A Hanky Panky. I got a Flat Tyler. And a Gordon. Sloshed Josh. Woody Allen. A Crushed Shelly. And the refractor of Furry Murray. We got a Trish Squish. A Flaky Faye. A Low Cow. And an orange Brett Vitt. Yeah, number 75 is for our orange parallel there. Could be our big winner, I think. And number 75 is the big hit for the box. Got 2 Ventriloquists. Decapitated Hetty. Puzzled Paul. A Alloy Adam, yeah, bonus. And Hammer Hidley. I got the printing plate. I think it's the cyan plate, I believe it was. Yeah. Check that video out. And we got a Roy Bott. A Walt Whitless. A Distort Morton. And a refractor of a Duncan Pumpkin. And we got a Boney Tony. A Formaldehyde. Rudy 2. And a Hip Kip. Kip is hip. Armpit Brit. A Kaiju. And we got a Igloo. And Yicky Mickey. Harry Harriet. A Ventriloquist. Bloated Blair. And a refractor of Jack-O-Lantern. Got Duncan Pumpkin and Jack-O-Lantern refractors. This one feels kind of fat, maybe. We got a Catty Cathy. Deadly. A Oak K. A Melton. Alright. Sapphire Steve. A Duncan Pumpkin. A Salvatore Dali and a refractor of Salvatore Dali. Aww. A Shorn Shun. Nailin' Neil. A Hygiene. And a Amazing Grace. That's Amazing Grace. We got ourselves a Spiky Mikey. A Four-Eyed Ida. Outer Space Chase. And a Double Iris. Teddy Bear. And we got ourselves a Ruby Cube. Got a rose gold in that one. Greta Garbage. And a refractor of Dana Druff. All right, last pack. Hopefully it's something good. Here we go. Oh, we got a refractor. Ooh, an X-fractor. Got a Swollen Sue Ellen. A Barf and Bart. A Noe Jose. And our X-fractor is Amazing Grace. Number to 150. Nice. But I think our Brett Vet is the big winner. I think these two should be the 2 big winners because Amazing Grace is just amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and more Garbage Pail Kids Chrome Series 4 coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.